crap. So the dog opened the back door, and there seems to be a bit of a situation in the kitchen. And they've knocked everything over. They've been eating all these boxes, and the ducks are actually in the kitchen. Bella, Bernie, herd these chickens and get them out of the house. Bella, get them out. Out! You guys made such a mess. Of course on my day off. Get out. Get out. Everybody out of the kitchen. Oh, man. Some hound dog you are. Get out. 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 Skedaddle. And when I say skedaddle, I mean skedaddle. Crap. Oh, my life. I really can't take this anymore. Get out.